Do you know that the solution for this cough, this chronic cough, is very cheap? Solution for chronic cough is very, very cheap. Now, number one solution is bitter cola. I know you might be surprised, bitter cola and cough. How does two of them align? Bitter cola is an anti-cough uh, seed, but you don't know about it. Now, this is how you're going to use bitter cola to cure your chronic cough. Peel the back of the bitter cola. Peel the back. Put it on your mouth. Don't swallow it. Don't chew it to um, pieces. Just be touching your teeth on it small small to be extracting the juice small small, little little, soft.